Howdy, my name is Presley Wirebaugh, and I am a current student in the Department of Agricultural Leadership, Education, and Communications, and I'm a Fightin' Texas Aggie class of 2024.
Where's your hometown?
New Braunfels, Texas.
What's your walk-up song?
The Aggie War Hymn.
Can you sing it for us?
Yes. Hullabaloo, connect.
What is your favorite emoji?
Anything smiling, probably the one with the cowboy hat.
Can you act it out? Best place to eat in Bryan College Station?
Napa Flats.
Gig 'em or howdy?
Gig 'em.
What's your hidden talent?
I can twirl batons.
How do you feel your time as an ALEC student shaped your career path?
I went to Washington, D.C. for about 5 months and interned on Capitol Hill, and it was a life-changing experience for me. In that situation, I really learned that I could use all the things that I was learning in my ALEC courses, from ethics to leadership theory. I used those skills in my internship, and so being able to tie it all back and connect it really just showed me the value of earning this ALEC degree. I'm Presley Wirebaugh, and I'm an Aggie in AGLS. Thanks, and gig 'em.